So, this is our new house. So, we sold our house on the east side of Rome, and now we have a house on the west side of Rome, Georgia, and it is hot out there. Also, just excuse this. But I'm super proud of my husband. Good job, babe. Because he has gotten everything done in the house. I'm still working on that load of blankets, and we're still drying some other things, but this is the house. And we've been here for 3 days, and those are the only boxes left. But look at this cow. Isn't that great? I just love my cow. That cow is me, and there's another cow I'll show you in a second. That's Jason. But anyway, these are the 5 boxes that we have left. The rest of the stuff is, air drying. And kitchen, we put it together yesterday. And still got the back porch decorations to go. If y'all aren't doing Facebook Lives, you've got to do Facebook Lives, because I promise when I watch this next year, or I give you a house tour next year, it won't look like this. But I am super proud of our progress. And we've got space in the hall closet for all these blankets. Why do we have 87,000 blankets? This is Gavin's room. Yes, this is green. Parakeet green or something, if you want to know the name of it. And this is the boys' bathroom. Then we got Harrison's room. All the boxes are out of all of the rooms. Pretty excited about that. I don't know if y'all have moved lately, but if you haven't moved lately, count how many towels you have, because it's insane. This is Jason's spare room. No kidding, he loves laundry. And this is our room. All the boxes are gone. Oh, except the one. I lied. Dang it. All the stuff's in the closet. All the stuff's out of the bathroom. Hey. And we're here. All right, you ready? This is Jason's cow. Can you see it? Oh, man. It's dark in here. Let me turn the light on. Okay. You still can't really see it. It's the light. It's bad. See? Oh, there it is. There it is. Now you can see. That's Jason's cow. And then my cow is out front. So, this is where we are. And Jason and the boys are working in the garage, but they got all the stuff up on the shelves there. And it has been a whirlwind 3 days. But we are pretty much here. We got some more furniture that's delayed because of the COVID. But otherwise, we're in and we are here. And we almost have all the towels and all the blankets clean. You see, that's me. You see the resemblance? Anyway, we're here. I'm super excited. And this time next year, I'll give you a different tour. And we'll be more like we're at home here then. So, I hope everybody's having a great weekend.